Morning. Right. 2nd of February, day 2 of my 11,000 walks. Well, it could be more of a mishmash of a day today, I think. I haven't got a specific walk sorted out, but I'm here in Ulsby at the moment. Yeah, if you know me from other videos, you know I like to visit train stations and have a look at what lines look like when they're there and what's going on. And this is even more interesting than I thought it was. You've got the main line, you've got 2 lines, and that's looking southbound. There's a branch. Now, I know from another station when I've looked on the map, what's it called? Harborough. There's a bit of a triangle thing or something going on. I think the left one is going down that direction. I think the other 2 are the ones that meet up on the other side. But then I've looked the other way. And you've got the 2 main lines that go off to the right. And then there's a branch that's going off to the left there. Well, it's not really left, is it? It's straight on. But it's only one line. From the looks of it here, it splits into 2. Okay, so, right, let's give an indication of where we are here. I'm just sort of northwest of Immingham. Now, if you know, yesterday when I saw the Drax trains, Immingham is where a lot of the Drax trains go to. And the line that goes round to the left, those 2 that branch off to the left, is the line that goes, well, eventually comes into the docks at Immingham. Now, I haven't had a chance at the moment to properly look at when anything's due. Chances are that will just end up being on a different video. That's one line and it splits off into 2. And where would that be going? Now, it's probably, well, that's heading up towards the south end of the, south side of the Humber estuary. Oh, what's on that side? Is it Cleethorpes? I thought Cleethorpes was further south. So I'm thinking about it. Just a bit north of Grimsby at the moment, so I'm assuming the lines down there are going that way. I don't know. Like I say, when I've looked at the... I've got better maps, actually. I was looking on Google Maps for the railway lines. That's not the map I should have been using. I've got a better map than that somewhere. A bit more specific to railways. I don't think there's much passenger on here. Well, no, when I looked on real-time trains, it was pretty much freight. Which is why I've decided to come here on a Monday. Because when I was looking on Saturdays and Sundays to come over here, it's, there's not a lot running, basically. Although everything that's there doesn't necessarily run, does it? It says it runs as required, but they don't put these things on all the time. They run when they're needed, and they don't stick to the timetable that they're set to run at either. So it's a bit of a lottery, which makes it quite exciting, really, because you never know what you're going to see. I've probably spoken in videos about all this before, There's a tendency to repeat myself, probably, but I suppose if you watch it that many times, you get the message through, don't you? Signal at either end, but it's both on the same side. Oh, I've been a bit slow on that one, haven't I? There's only one platform here. Anything going both ways has to cross over onto this side to pick up and drop off. That's interesting. Why is it wrong with the one platform? Signal either side, but there's no signals on the other side. At least not here. There's one further down on there on the other side. And there's one on the line going sort of straight on. Other things I tend to look for here is indications that there was other old lines, sidings, signs of old works. There might have been something over there. It's still at the same level. It might drop. Well, I think it does because the bushes go further down, don't they? I think the south end has always been the same. Was there any evidence? Well, it's coming around the bend, isn't it? So it's going to look a bit harder. And there's a gap there as well. Railing too. Well, I don't know. I don't think there's much indication there. Some of that's been there a long time. But you see, there's a railing further back. Why is it a footpath? Right, coming back up here, is there anything you can see out the far end that would indicate such things that, it's funny how things can be erased completely and you can't even tell what things used to be. Well, that was more like banking, although it's like a wall or something there that seems buried. I think it's always been like this. Saying that though, there's things there of old points. I wonder if there might have been a crossover going the other way, like with some things there. It's been removed. Oh well. Don't might be that. Is that platform extension? Either that or it's been redone. It's like you're going from the solid concrete platform to one of those temporary things. Well, supposedly temporary, but it's permanent. You can hear the difference. One's solid, one's hollow. That's funny as well. I mean, you wouldn't have a platform that size, would you? You wouldn't fit anything on it. Well, maybe a 153. Maybe they put bigger trains down here now. I don't know what they run here. Is it still northern? So I'm not entirely sure where they're running to from here. Oh, hold on a minute. I think I did look. Is this where the ones from Ambergate are going to? Which, ironically, I was there last year when I went tripping to Derby. Yeah, I think I might be out of luck here. I'll find out what else I'm going to do anyway. Right, in a minute, actually. Well, that's what I've just been on about, isn't it? You see, we've got the triangle. And then, yeah, we've got the branch. This will have it on here, won't it? This will give you an idea of where I am. Yeah, one of them must be... Is that like a freight line then? You see some of those ones out there, so they're maybe the freight lines. Alright, so it's like a branch going up to Barton on Humber. Oh, Cleethorpes is further. Cleethorpes was south of Grimsby, yeah. So I was right with that one. So I'll be running out of Lincoln probably. Oh, well, actually, no. Can't do. We're running out of Cleethorpes. Alright, well, I'll end. Oh, it's 6 minutes an hour. I'll end the video anyway. I'll talk to you in a bit and I'll keep you up to date on what steps I've managed to do. Talk to you soon.